Good morning, everybody. We are back out here this morning. Brought the dump truck and the log trailers. We can move some wood out either later today or tomorrow. I'm gonna go ahead and load out one more load of dirt, take it up there to the pad. Go ahead and get that graded. Let Robert go get some crushed concrete, maybe some stone. We'll start building that, get the pad graded out and the path going over there to it. Put the stone down for that. All right, let's dump our last load of dirt out. We'll get that spread and rolled in. Get this graded out, let him start bringing some stone to put down on top of it. All right, Robert's going to go get some crushed concrete now. We've got this slicked up and the building laid out nice and square. We recessed it in 3 feet from that one, just to kind of hide it a little bit better behind the barn. So I'm gonna roll all this in. First, I'm gonna take the skid steer, go ahead and slick all this up right here, knock this dirt down, and just sheep's foot it in with the big compactor, because all this was just topsoil we piled up here on the edge, but everything is compacted good right in here. So just get it where nothing moves. Then I've got to cut that down a little bit right there where he's at.
My name's Jeff.
My name's Jeff. And cut this down. We're gonna put the nice driveway ABC stone down through here. All right, got our first load of crushed concrete. That'll work. See if we can get this pad covered. Calling for about 1.5 inches of rain tomorrow, so need to get some stone put on this. That's mostly gravel. One little pile. It's always one little spot that stays up there. So I'm running the big compactor over this slope right here and just kind of pack this topsoil in. Got it knocked down just so it doesn't settle. Get that one load dumped out. He's going back to get another one. I'll stay here and finish spreading that out, getting this stuff ready, and grade the rest of this slope out. Got to cut that swale out just a little bit more right there. Make sure we got plenty of good drainage away from the building pad. Alright, I'm going to try to drag the sea container back over here to where it needs to go by myself, because why not? Where am I going? I need to get this thing drug up over here. Chain to the other end. It's not wanting to pull exactly the way I want it to. Get over this way. There we go. I did hook a chain to the other end in case I've got to pick it up and drag it, but I need to keep this thing as far as I can this way right now so that that end gets kicked over as far as possible. Well, I think I screwed my flag up. I'll measure it from the building. Drag, let it down, back up, pick it up, and eventually I'm going to run out of room somewhere back here. I'm going to have to unhook it and go to the side. Might be able to get it all from right here, but I think I'm going to run out of. I don't know, I might be able to get this thing. Sure we're not going to back into a tree. That would be just dandy on my fresh paint job. Right where that flag is, a little bit more, right there. Alright, now I think I can pick the other end up, drag it over, and it'll be right where it needs to be. Alright, if I pick this straight up, should be able to set it right over onto the mark it needs to be at. Somehow we got off slightly. Let me take the rake and rake that grass out. Alright, take two. Got the grass raked out from under it. And got it right there where it needs to be. Drop a little bit heavy, it'll sink in there. Alright, that should be good. I'm gonna measure. And the rain is here. They're like 2 trucks short on finishing the concrete and the footings over there, so I know they'll be glad when that's done. Got all the stone put down, rolled in. Robert went and got a load of rock from the rock quarry. He's pulling in here now. About to dump the second one. I'll probably send him back to get one more, and we'll just dump it out and spread it after the rain, unless I hang out till then. See if we can get this dirt covered before it all turns to mud. Well, that is a wrap. Brought a bunch of dirt up here. Got this pad leveled up, 40 by 75. And then we put 4 loads of crushed concrete on it and 2 loads of the ABC stone to kind of build a little path over here in front of it, just a little skim coat so it's not in the mud. I think everything turned out well. Cut that down about a foot or so and filled all that in. So went down a foot and about 4 feet up over here. Rain's coming in, so we're going to get out of here. You can definitely see now how much we had to fill that in compared to the boom truck. If you carried that out even, it would be probably over the hood, probably to the top of that toolbox with dirt. So yeah, a lot of fill material had to go in right there. We got quite the hole dug over there. So all right, well, like I said, rain's in, we're out of here.